So how do you change a bucket tooth on a piece of machinery? When you use a crowbar for replacement operations, does it often jam, slip, maybe cause misalignment? Hello, welcome back to FridayParts channel. I've often used a crowbar in the past when repairing a bucket tooth, but I found it's not the most effective tool. I generally prefer to use a bucket tooth exchange tool. But here's why. The first major advantage is safety. So it's easy for a crowbar to slip or shift, which can be dangerous during a repair. The bucket tooth replacement tool, on the other hand, is molded to fit perfectly, and it's pretty versatile. It's more stable because it slots right in, so it won't slip or shift during operation, and then that reduces the risk of injury or damage to the equipment. So it's also more durable than a crowbar. Crowbars are made of a wide variety of materials, so the quality can be sometimes hard to guarantee. The last thing you need is to discover your crowbar is poor quality when it bends or breaks during a repair. The bucket tooth replacement tool is made of forged steel, so it's highly durable, it has good impact resistance, making it suitable for high frequency use outdoors. And then number 3 is efficiency. So compared with traditional crowbar, the hammer method, the bucket tooth replacement tool is approximately 30% to 50% faster, so it just saves on replacement time. So before I talk you through how to use the bucket tooth replacement tool, let's quickly run through some safety tips. So always make sure to wear appropriate protective equipment, and obviously make sure the equipment is powered off before you start. All right, let me tell you how to use this simple tool. When using the bucket tooth replacement tool, first align the tool cone head with the bucket tooth pin. Then use a hammer to hammer the tool handle or directly hammer the back of the cone head until the bucket tooth pin is knocked out. Then align the new bucket tooth with the tooth seat for installation. Finally, use the matching installer to knock the new pin firmly in to ensure that the bucket tooth is secure. So that's how you can quickly and safely replace the bucket tooth. If you notice the bucket teeth are badly damaged, don't rush to replace them right away. You first need to understand what installation method you will use so you can purchase the right equipment for the repair. So there are actually 2 different bucket teeth installation methods. We have snap-on, and then you have a spiral. If you choose the snap-on, you need to select a bucket tooth disassembly tool and use a hammer to knock out the pin. If you go with a spiral, you need a wrench or an air cannon to actually unscrew the fixing bolt. And secondly, you need to determine the diameter of the bucket tooth pin, right? So the bucket tooth pin diameters are 14 millimeters, 17 millimeters, 19, 21. This one is actually a 14 millimeter diameter, and it's suitable for most small, medium-sized excavation equipment. So lastly, choose a good supplier. Many suppliers sell products that may not be certified or don't meet the necessary specifications, which causes problems down the road. At FridayParts, we adhere to the highest quality and safety specifications. We have an excellent customer service team. They can answer any questions you might have. They can recommend the correct parts for your repair if you're unsure. So that's how you can quickly, safely replace a bucket tooth using the bucket tooth replacement tool. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.